everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be me showing you how to use Meta AI. It's probably one of my favorites. I do have a lot of opinions about it. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. Yep, baby, yep. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little different. I thought I'd show you how I use Meta AI, which is Instagram's company, I guess. So now I'm creating an image. I like creating images because it shows me and visualizes that idea that is in my head, and it's easy to replicate it when you're drawing or if you're painting something. So yeah, I thought that was a good way of explaining every single thing in my life. So now scanning it and generating that image, I think it did a good job with the trees. It does need a little help, but I think it's going down the right path. And you should use this as inspiration for making art, creating art in any type of way. So now did how to actually draw this using step-by-step instructions, which is pretty cool. And there's also this Instagram bio that I did, which is going through fastly, but it's pretty cool, right? So I'm doing a Instagram bio, and I told it to do a poem of this picture of me when I was little. I love that picture a lot. I told it to write a poem, which I think it's good, but it still needs few touches here and there, but I think it's pretty great. And I told it to add a bench in this picture, which I think it's great if you're adding simple things like benches, flowers. You can add words. It does it so much better than I thought it would do. But it's in its beginning stages, but I think it did a good job with the sky. And I told it to do a sunset, and it did the job. Next, I wanted to remove the sun, so then it added trees and stuff, as you can see in this next one. This is what it actually did. Did it actually remove it? Or is it just the same sunset? I don't know. Now I'm saying remove the sunset. Okay, so that was the before one, was without removing the sunset. But this one's actually removing it. I keep on going back and forth whether or not I think which one is great. So I just told it to add clouds, and it did a good job. It did a great job with removing the sun. So then I keep on referencing back to the image that I actually used. And it does have a little time step in the right corner, which is sort of annoying, but you have to, because since it's AI generated, they don't want anyone to steal it. But I should have my own. But anyways, I told it to put a blue sky, but instead I look like I'm in some kind of paradise, which is kind of cool. It's great if you want to put yourself into different places. It's really great for that. So I told it to add a blue sky with clouds, but I think it looks more realistic than the sunset. The sunset kind of looks like a backdrop, but as you can see here, it does look real. It looks like the clouds that I saw today, which are absolutely beautiful. You should definitely take pictures of the cloud. It's so inspiring to see how they look. So then I decided to add a flower in the background, but you have to be specific, or you do it multiple times. But then let's see how it actually turns out. So then it put me in a giant flower field. I look like I'm in paradise, or something. There's flowers everywhere, but there's an awful glare on them. So, and I did this for the cherry blossom trees, and that, I don't know, I just don't like the texture. But without the texture, I think it would have looked great. Like, what is that? Like, it looks really dotted. Maybe it's pixelated. So I told it to make a magical creature out of me. It did, but I don't know if I like the crown. It looks kind of creepy. I just don't like it. But as you're getting idea as I am telling you that it's in its beginning stages. I keep on saying that, but as you can see, it turned the flowers. I like adding flowers and little touches to it, but don't add anything to your face. It didn't do great. Like, it turned me into a different person. So I told it to do a kind of koi pond, sort of. I told it to add a fountain in a koi pond, but it didn't understand what I was saying. I mean, like, come on, I had to report this, so I did, how bad it actually is, but I hope they fix it. So then and now I'm making this, I like the purple. I did change it, but I wanted a lighter purple, because this one is great, but it's like too in your face, like it's too neon colored. So I decided to do a light purple. I think the light purple looks better. I do like purple a lot. It does add a little touch and flavor to it, and there is a purple flower in the background, so it kind of does make sense about where I'm actually taking this. And it tried to do my hair, but it turned into a complete mess. Like, who is this? Is this me? Like, it looks like it took off the hair of someone else and put it on mine, so it looks ugly. So anyways, I keep on referring back to my image because it's the best one, but I'm afraid that it might ruin it each and every time, which it does. That's probably the point of AI. But in this way, in image ways, so I told it to add flowers on my dress, but you can see the result right now. Well, this is the result. Why is it on my head? It was supposed to be on my dress. It didn't understand the instructions, and it absolutely turned my dress red. I mean, that hurts so much. So now I'm adding a purple pattern to it. I think it did a better job. When I actually explained and described it, it did make sense, and I think it would look so much better if there was any texture and color to the dress. I think it did a fabulous job with this. It's good at simple tasks. But I want to say, like, it's pretty good from where I'm standing right now, but it might look different in the year, so yeah. I took off the flower crown because I think it looked hideous. So it's making my hair longer. Well, let's say that's not me. That's someone else. That does not look like me. I guess I have to be more specific. Then I told it to make me into a painting, which I think it did a good job, but where's my face? Like, this is not me. This is like some random girl that they got off the internet and put it in this. That looks ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. But it is fine. It's fine. And I'm okay with it. I'm okay if they don't want to do a better job. It's okay. It's okay. It's absolutely okay. So then later, I decided to do a 3D version of my awesome face. And then I asked the question, where is my face? And it gave me a description. I just don't know why it failed so much to give me what I actually wanted. But then I tried to make it 3D by using my photo again. So I keep on reversing it back. And yeah, I clicked it. Then I told it to do a 3D version. And actually look great. It's not that bad. It looks like I'm a Lego character, but then I told it to do a tulip diagram because why not, since it's spring. So it kind of looks like it's on a sketchbook, which it's not actually, but it does do a good job with the tulip, but not telling me what each. And these are the tulips that it drawed. It did a good job, so yeah. So yeah, that's the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think I had a lot of fun about exploring AI and all its capabilities. I don't think I ever viewed any AI software until now. So yeah, leave your thoughts in the comments, and yeah, like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. And also, my new addition to my life is this green case. I was gonna do customization, but it didn't end up how I wanted it to be, so you're just gonna have to stick with the AI. So yeah, bye.